Hey guys, okay, here I am. Now I start to building the prototype that I will use to do my test for a beef system. Actually, here I'm showing you how I'm building the base, where all the machinery will be placed. I go out to make some cuts of the metal tubes for the structure. I think about to use a three-wheel system, so it will be self-balanced, and I not will have detachment of the wheels, and it will be a little bit unstable, but it's pretty fine. You see where I'm approaching to make some holes for the bolts. Yeah, at the end the camera dead, so you will see the final build in the next clip. Thank you for watching.